Hello Internet Universe, I'm Bernie and I'm gonna get growing. So I thought I'd show you what I'm working on, and I've never done anything like this before, so I thought I would document it, no pressure whatsoever. What I am trying to do is I'm trying to grow a lemon tree from the lemons that I get from the store. This all came about because I was sitting around one day and I was thinking about how awesome it would be to have a lemon tree.
They can't keep their distance from me. Maybe they're the ones who've been through the pain of losing someone they love to cancer.
Where's the remote?
So they avoid me.
What?
Just like you're doing. You understand?
Yeah, it'd be really awesome to have a lemon
That's
tree.
your loss.
I remember that. I found a video much like the one that I'm making right now. Seemed pretty painless and pretty easy, so I thought I would try to recreate that little experiment in my own kitchen. So let's see how it goes. The first step is to cut your lemon and to extract the seeds. Once you remove the seeds from the lemon, they're gonna be covered in this slick membrane of gelatin. You gotta take that off and you gotta peel off all the outer layers of the seed. It will end up being dark brown in color. This process is a pain in the ass. At least I found it so, mainly because I've chewed off most of my fingernails. I wanted to try to get as many seeds as possible because I wasn't sure how many would actually develop roots. And from what I can remember, I got about a dozen seeds. So the next step of the process, once I had my seeds, was to germinate. Fold the seeds into a paper towel, wet the paper towel down thoroughly with water, place the folded paper towels with the seeds inside of a bag, seal up the bag, and put the seeds somewhere warm and dark for a 10-day period. Yesterday was actually our 10-day mark, but I wasn't able to do this yesterday, so I'm doing this on day 11. I hope the seeds didn't explode or anything. I've got my seeds here, and oh, I can already see through the paper towel. So let's see. Holy cow, it actually worked. I think, if I'm not mistaken, that every one of my seeds has germinated. That is awesome. So let's see how the other bunch did. Oh yeah, hell yeah, look at those. Woo. Today I went out and bought potting soil. I ended up with this, Pro Mix Organic Vegetable and Herb. Seeing as how we're in a lockdown period, the home hardware in my neighborhood was pretty much picked clean of gardening supplies, since gardening seems to be everyone's favorite home activity these days. So this was the only potting soil that they had. And it says here, ideal for organic vegetables, herbs, and fruits grown indoors or outdoors in a container or in the ground. So this seems like a pretty general, all-purpose potting mix, so I'm not too concerned. I think this should do. I just happen to have a lot of these 4-inch pots around because I have lots of plants that I bought previously and I saved all the pots. And I've filled each of the pots all the way up to the top with potting soil. Now I'm gonna make a small indentation. So I've got my best candidates here. That one's just looking like he's ready to burst, so I'm gonna put that one in. And I'm just pushing the seed down so the root is pointed down, and I wanna leave just the very tip of the seed sticking above the surface. Grab my water bottle and soak. I'm gonna then repeat the process for the 5 other pots. Okay, well, wasn't that fun? So now I've got all my little lemon seedlings in their nursery pots. I'm going to thoroughly soak the soil through. Now I'm going to put these somewhere warm where they can get enough sunlight so that they can hopefully grow into beautiful little seedlings. And we're going to leave these for about 2 weeks' time. And then we can check on their progress, see how they're doing. While I wait for my saplings to grow, I'd love to hear from you. I'm sure there are a ton of people out there with greener thumbs than mine. If you see me doing something that I shouldn't be doing, let me know about it in the comments below. Or if you have any other suggestions for things that I might want to try when it comes to gardening, I'd love to hear about them. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tune in again and we'll see how our lemon tree is doing. Until then, happy gardening.
Everything I see inside